Hello friends, I hope you're all doing great. We're here with a tutorial on how to deposit funds into your CoinEx exchange account using the TRC20 Tether method. As you saw in the previous tutorials, we registered and completed identity verification on this exchange. Now, to fund your account, you need to click on the deposit option in this section on the page. On this page, first select the coin or token you want to deposit, and then choose the network. In this tutorial, we're using the TRON network, which is TRC20. Now click on this option, and after clicking on confirm, the destination address will be generated for you. The minimum deposit amount to this address is 1 Tether, and you need 10 confirmations for the deposit to be approved. To enable the withdrawal feature, you need 20 confirmations. Open your wallet app on your mobile phone. Select the desired currency, which is Tether on the TRON network, and click on Send. In the first field, enter the recipient address, and in the second field, enter the desired deposit amount. Alternatively, you can simply click on this option and scan the display QR code to complete your deposit, then click Next. On the next page, the sender address, recipient address, transaction fee, and total amount will be displayed to you. After clicking on Confirm and entering your password, the payment will be processed. After completing the transaction on this page, you can click on the More Detail option to view more details about your transaction on the TronScan website. Now, when you return to your exchange page, you can see the deposited balance in the statement section, and the details of this transaction will be fully displayed to you at the bottom of the same page. This was the tutorial on how to fund your account on CoinEx Exchange using the TRC20 Tether method. Stay with us for more tutorials. Goodbye.